What do you do when the winter comes and it starts freezing and snowing? Well, the best thing you can do is to get on water, because the shape of the kayak keel is ideal for ice breaking. For the more adventurous of us, kayak is too stable and safe. Luckily, the paddleboard is at hand. We spent 2 days on Danube wild branches. On the first day, the winter just shyly presented its face. Whoa! What? Patrzcie. Hop! We went looking for some ice to the narrower branches. No luck here. But then luck smiled on us finally.
Láhni, to som počul, že keď láhnem, tak to vždy bude. Ide vašo, odhoď paťa si len.
The freeze and snowfall during the night promised even more wintry romantic scenery. And yeah, there it was. Clean air, smooth water with fantastic reflections, and more ice to come. Dosť hrdý je. Aha, tu začíná byť ten ľad trošku. No, toto už je človeče, aby som to pádlo nezlomil. Čo robíš? Čo to s tými rukami robíš?
Točím si gombiku. Ide kominár. Už teraz sa spozri na druhú stranu, kokos. Jak je tam pekne. No presne, tam ostane.
Nič tam není. The end of the second day was approaching, but before heading to the warmth of our living rooms, we enjoyed one final fairy tale scenery. And on Martin's kayak you can see a giant mistletoe he grabbed on the way.